Hi, my name is Thomas Pickelner. I am an Asics front runner and I love running longer distances. And my go-to shoes when I'm training has always been the Gel-Nimbus. Therefore, I'm very happy to present the latest edition Gel-Nimbus 22. I always enjoy running in the Gel-Nimbus because it feels very comfortable. As soon as you put your feet inside, it just feels like you want to go out for a run. The biggest and most obvious change in this edition that will increase the shock absorption is this gel that wraps around the heel here. Another update is the flight foam, which is now lighter and is placed closer to the ground, which will make your landing feel softer. I would recommend it to any type of runner, from beginner to marathon runner. Because of its great cushioning, I think the Gel-Nimbus is a really reliable shoe that will take you with comfort for your longer runs.